guys, my name's Jaden and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you guys haven't already, go on ahead and please hit the subscribe button. You won't regret it. And guys, today I just decided to make a video, sit down and talk to you, because lately I've been getting a lot of questions like, how do you even find good stuff at a thrift store? Because I'm from a very small town. We have very small town thrift stores, but it's amazing what you can really find if you just kind of go in and tackle what you need to tackle. So I kind of made a list of my top tips, and I'm going to go on ahead and tell you them. I got my little cheat sheet right here just in case I forget. But let's go on ahead and get into it. So the first tip I would have is shop in the middle of the week. Generally, I feel like I find my best finds in the middle of the week, so I always try to go around Tuesday, Wednesday if I can. And I try to do it more than once if I have the opportunity to. So normally I'll go like Tuesday, Wednesday, and then maybe Friday or Saturday, because I feel like after the weekend they have a lot of restocking to do. So Wednesday's always a good day because you can get the restocks. And then I just love the weekend because they have a lot of deals those days. But kind of going on the restocks, it's also really nice if you see a new rack being rolled in, go on ahead and go check it out, because those are always new and you get first dibs on them. And you're going to find so many good things if you have first dibs on it. So I highly recommend, if you see racks just kind of hanging out around the store, go check them out, because usually that is just the rack that they're going to roll out with new stocks before they put them out. One that's kind of big around here that people always don't ever think of, I forget sometimes, is bring your own bag. Like Goodwill does not, they have bags you can buy, but they don't bag them for you. So it's always smart just to bring your own bag, just kind of a little FYI. My next tip would be kind of to shop off season. You have a lot of options if you're shopping off season, because most people go in there to shop in season. And I'm not telling you that I don't look at in season clothing, because I definitely do. But shopping off season is really great because you get your best deals whenever it's off season. And a lot of people aren't looking for those looks, so you have a lot of options, because people are always going to donate their stuff after that season's already passed. So you get a lot of first dibs. It's some really great stuff, and you get really good discounts on it because nobody wants it right now because it's not in season. My next one would probably be, don't be afraid of any section. I love shopping in all sections, whether it be the men's, the women's, even the kids sometimes. You can find really great shirts there. I love scanning all of them. Men's pants are my favorite because generally they make them more high-waisted anyway. And I love finding my pants in the men's section. Shirts, I love in the men's section. You get a nice, really cool graphic tee. But don't get me wrong, I also love the women's section because they have so many great options. And don't be afraid of any section, because some people also like to hide things in sections. So you might find something in one that's not supposed to be there that's really great that somebody set down there. So don't be afraid of any section in the thrift store. My next tip would probably be to dress comfy and wear a tight shirt, not necessarily tight, but either a tank top or just a plain shirt. That way you can try stuff on. I know a lot of dressing rooms are open in thrift stores around here. I think we have one or two that actually allow you to try stuff on. So it's really nice if I find a jacket or something like that that I want, I can just slip it over the shirt I already have, and I don't have to worry about going in the dressing room or taking it home, trying it on, returning it. So I always dress comfortable, and I dress where I can try stuff on over my other stuff. Or over my other clothes. So I would highly recommend doing that. My next one that I would suggest is going in kind of with an idea of what you want, but also having an open mind. So I kind of have an ongoing list of items I am searching for and items that I want to find. And I go in looking for them, but I also keep my options open, because I know you never know when you're going to find something amazing at a thrift store. So I go in kind of knowing what I'm looking for, but I definitely don't let that discourage me from checking out other sections, because you never know what you are going to find. So I recommend having a list, but I also recommend having an open mind over what you actually can leave there with. And finally, guys, one of my big tips is don't be afraid to repurpose or fix something up. There are so many clothing hacks that you can do if you've never even touched a sewing machine or ever been crafty before. There's so many YouTube tutorials on how to fix stuff up. So don't be afraid to purchase something if you think that, oh, this would look cuter cropped. All you gotta do is take some scissors and crop it, or, oh, these would look so much cuter a different color. They literally make so many ways to change colors of clothing now. And I find some of my best stuff as pieces that just need a little TLC. And I get so many compliments on them after I kind of redo them, fix them up to my liking. And guys, just go in there and don't be afraid of what you're going to leave with. Don't be discouraged because you don't think that you're going to find something. I love thrift shopping. I get to do it a lot, so I'm really thankful for that. And I love getting to tell people that, hey, I got this for $2 after they compliment it on me, and I can be like, you need to go see if you can find one, like this is so much fun. Or taking my friends thrift shopping, telling them my favorite thrift stores. I love every bit of it, and I love sharing that with you guys. So if you guys have any more tips or anything like that, leave them in the comments below, because I'd love to see what you guys recommend when you go to thrift stores. And if you haven't already, go on ahead and hit the subscribe button. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.